This is December's giveaway goodies. It's full of different products. If you want to win this, then you need to watch the video and I'll tell you how. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So today we are going to look at the December giveaway. I feel like this is quite a healthy giveaway. I hope you agree. I'm just going to quickly go through the items that I have put up for giveaway, and then I will tell you how to enter. Right, so the first item is an electric nail polish dryer. Quite a cute little thing. So basically you pop your polished nails in there. I think this is battery operated and it will dry them a little bit quicker than normal. We have a dry shampoo. We have some Morphe eyelashes, very pretty. We have a shower cap. This is so cute. I think I got this out of one of my mystery boxes for Rockbox. What else do we have? We have a Smashbox primer. We have a lipstick and pencil. That's a matte lipstick. We have a Wet n Wild mascara. These are sealed, not been used, not been touched. We have a Sports Stamina mascara. We have a Beauty Pie lip crayon. Another Beauty Pie lip crayon. We have Wet n Wild eyeshadow, very pretty, gold, good for this time of the year. We have a Dear Delilah lip stain. We have a Wet n Wild blush. We've got a couple of masks. We've got a T-Zone charcoal and bamboo mask. We have a cranberry and apple mask. And we have the OK Korean mask there. We have the Diamond and Ice NYX lipstick set. We have a Wet n Wild Zodiac set. So this is quite a nice set here. So you have the palette here. We've got 3 lipsticks here. This is a little mirror and this is your highlight here. So I think that's quite cute. It's quite gorgeous. What else do we have? We have this Nip and Fab. I don't know what it is actually, but it's by Nip and Fab. We have this Skin Vol Body Boost Gel. We have Caitlin Eyebrow Gel. What else do we have? We have a Bombshell Lip Crayon. Not been touched, not been opened. And we have this OK Night Cream. We have a Morphe lip gloss. We have the Bellapierre. This is a highlighting palette, but I think you could use this for blush and eyeshadow. We have the Grace and Stella mask. We have Sopa Duper body wash. We have a Startup primer. I think this is Korean actually. Yeah, it's Korean. What else do we have in here? We have a Wet n Wild little lipstick. We have an MUA eyeliner, nice colour. And we have shampoo. We have a Break Into the Roots 10-minute stimulating scalp mask. Got a couple of these little nail varnish things for you. We have a, what is this? Oh, this is like a little eyeshadow. And be careful when you open this because it will go everywhere. And I think that is everything. Okay, so I hope you agree that that is a nice sizable haul, and the product should appeal, I hope, to most people. Now, how to enter. Obviously, you should be subscribed to my channel, goes without saying. Like this video. The comment is, all I want for Christmas is. Okay, simple. All I want for Christmas, and then tell me what it is you want. This will be open to international. You should be 18 years and over. This giveaway will close at midnight on the 31st of December. That's UK Standard Time. And the winners are chosen fairly. I use a comment picker, so please don't ask me to pick them. I don't pick the winner, my comment picker does, to make it fair for everybody. And just a disclaimer that if I send this out abroad somewhere and you don't receive it, I'm sorry, that's, you know, that's not my fault. All I can do is put the postage on. I normally do recorded, so you would have to sign for it, and I can give you the proof of postage. There's been a couple of occasions where I posted out to international and they've not received their goods. So, you know, if you know that you live in a place where your postage could be dodgy, then give another address or something, because I'd hate for all this lot to go missing, but I'm not responsible in replacing it, so it's up to you. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck to everybody. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.